Have a good day, everyone. The first step you will do is to open Microsoft Excel and create a new workbook. Then, enter a random data in 2 columns. So, from the column A, enter a 10 rows of random values like sales, grades, or expenses. While the column B, enter 10 rows of text, names, product, or categories. So, sa column A, naglagay ako ng 90, 60, 70, and 120. At ang ginawa ko is, kinopy ko siya at sinenter. Dito naman sa column B, naglagay ako ng earphones, smartwatch, smartphone, AirPods, monitor, speaker, USB, mouse, tablet, and keyboard. Dito naman sa column B, is kinopy ko na siya at sinort. And ginawa ko is sinort ko siya from A to Z. Ganon din ginawa ko sa column A. Sinort ko siya from highest to lowest. And sa both column, ginawa ko is sinenter ko siya. Next is to perform the 4 arithmetic operation using the formulas, which is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. After naman ng computation, is kinopy ko siya at pumunta sa enter para gumawa ng chart. Next is nilagay ko yung buong name ko. And that's it. Thank you for watching.